In this video, we'll explain how Python swaps variable in just one line without having to use a temporary variable. So pretty much this is a follow-up on the previous video, but a deeper dive. So we've got the variables a and b with values 5 and 10. And before the swap, it shows that a has 5, b has 10. And then after this line, which pretty much is the line that's in charge of the swap, a becomes 10 and b becomes 5. So what is really going on and how did this happen? That's what we want to look into in this video. So Python does something similar to this behind the scenes. So this is really what Python is doing for you without you having to worry about it. So this line kind of translates, or what happens behind the scene is a temporary tuple is created to hold the values of whatever is on the right hand side. In this case, it was BA, which is 10, 5. So that's what we have. That's the tuple. So it creates a tuple of values 10, 5. And then what happens, it assigns the first value, which is A, the first value of the tuple, which is 10. So that's the first value. And the second value of the tuple is assigned to the second variable, which is B. And that value was 5. So B becomes 5. And that's how we have B is equal to 5. So this is called tuple packing and unpacking. The packing happened on the right-hand side of this line, which is BA. This line creates the tuple. So that's packing. And unpacking happened to assign the values of the tuple to the left-hand side, which is in the order. So in this order, it will assign the values 10 and 5 to A and B. So that's called unpacking. So you never see or write the tuple, it's created internally. And Python captures the original values of A and B first by evaluating the right-hand side before any assignment happens. So this is evaluated first before this part, the left side. And this means the variables are safely swapped without risk of overwriting. So that's what really happens behind the scenes, and that's how Python swaps variables in just one line without the need of a third temporary variable to preserve the value that's going to be swapped. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.